2024, question number 12. Consider two independent random variables x and y. 2x plus 3y follows normal mu sigma square, and the values of mean and variance are what? So mean, let's call this z. Expectation z is nothing but the mean. So expectation of 2x plus 3y is what we need to find out. 2 expectation x plus 3 expectation y. 2 into expectation x plus 3 into expectation y. 10 plus 9, 19 is my expectation. What about the variance? Variance of z, which is sigma square, variance of 2x plus 3y is 4 variance x plus 9 variance y plus 6 into 12 covariance xy. Now, they are independent, so no question of covariance out. 4 into variance x is 4. 9 into variance y, which is 2. So 16 plus 18, which is equal to 34. That is what my answer is. A.